Hello everyone. Today I'll show everyone this big knife card, that is to say, this type of BMW key with buttons on the side. A video of writing to the U-Chassis and writing to the OEM key for the convenience of shooting. We use two programming harnesses. Now, the wires have also been properly soldered according to the wiring diagram. I'll directly show everyone how to read and write with this. We can implement this function through two methods. First, access the emote programming. This is what we often show everyone. You can also access the remote function. There is a smart key clone function. There is a BMW BDC3 BCP smart key clone here. This is a U-Chassis key. Now we need to read and write this U-Chassis key. Insert the programming harness plug connected to the key to be read. The wiring diagram can also be seen here. Click Read Chip Data. Click OK. Click OK. Remove the original vehicle key that has already read the data and insert the original key that you want to write to. Then now, let's start writing to this OEM key. Click OK. Click OK. Now, this key can be restored to normal use.